What's up, guys? My name is Nick and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be going over my dividend income for December of 2021. And to start off, as you guys can see, my portfolio is actually down 0.63%, $275.92. If it wasn't for the stock merger with FRT, I'm sure it would be even lower. Is it the market today was very bad, but guys, let's get right into this and go. Here we are into the dividends. So starting off down here, December 1st, I received $3.08 from American Waterworks, AWK, and $22.91 from QYLD. So that actually starts the month at $25.99, which is not a bad way to start the first day of the month. So here's American Waterworks. As you can see, $911. And I currently own 5.11 shares. And American Waterworks, just a great recession-proof company that I plan on holding for years and years, especially if they keep up that 10% dividend growth year over year. So next, we have my trifecta account going into QYLD. So you can see almost $2,600, 118 shares. So you saw that was a pretty good dividend with the $22. But now let's keep moving on to December 6th, where I also received a lot of dividends. So I got $7.63 from JEPI, $12.23 from Pfizer, which is a good one, $15.08 from Southern Company, and 19 cents from BNDX, Total Vanguard Bond ETF. So that puts the total for the month at $61.12, which once again, doing amazing to start the month. So let's go. Oh, so this is QYLD. Let's look at JEPI. This is a S&P 500 covered call ETF, and I have 31.3 shares. And that's a dividend I love getting too from JEPI. It just keeps going up. And another one, Pfizer, $1,700, 31.3 shares. Wow, I didn't know I had that many shares, but this is another solid blue chip company that I love owning. And let's go into the next one, Southern Company. This one, 1,500, 22.8 shares. This is an excellent utility stock. Great, about average dividend growth, but still just a stock that I trust and that I'm comfortable owning. And then I don't own BNDX anymore. I ended up selling that. But let's just go on to the 7th. So we have J&J with $5.47, and then LQD, another bond, with $1.32. And then there should be, oh no, so that's it for the 7th. And that puts my total for the month at 67.91, which, we're only in the 7th day. So Johnson & Johnson, almost 890, 5.16 shares, not as many because it's pretty expensive, but this is one of those stocks, AAA rating company. Just, it's all essential products, essential items that you need. And I mean, you'd be crazy to not own Johnson & Johnson. So let's go on to the next one. So on the 9th, I got Microsoft, $1.94 to give us a total of 69.85. And let's see, Microsoft, 988, 3.12 shares. And Microsoft is another expensive stock. It actually got hit today. If we look, dropped 3.84%, but I'm gonna love buying the dip on Microsoft. Then all right, next up we have the 10th, which was IBM at $11.79. It's another great dividend. And that puts our total at 81.64. And if we go to IBM, almost have $1,000. See how they did today? They actually grew a little bit. And I have 7.18 shares. I'm actually looking forward to IBM growing their cloud computing. I think once they get that going, they'll be a much better company to own. And next up, we have 3M at $8.73, putting my total for the month at $90.37. And guys, I was paid a lot of money in dividend. I was paid a lot of money in dividends, and I got a lot of paychecks this month. The December, third month of the quarter, always a good one. 3M, $1,000, 5.9 shares. This is a company that, it's great it's great to own because I use it at work, use it in my personal life. And let's see, we are now at the 15th. So this is the middle of the month. Kellogg's coming in at $7.62. O Realty, $6.49. That's actually, they increased their dividend by 4 point something percent right before this payout. This is like a 20 something cent increase from last month. And then Stag, 5.28 dividend. And let's see, that puts me at, so that's Kellogg's. That puts me at $109.76. Oh yeah, Kellogg's right. Almost 900 bucks. See, they grew today. I own 13.56 shares. Next up is O Realty. So I think my real estate went down. O Realty, 1,800. This is a stock I put a lot of money in. 26.37 shares. Next one was Stag, which has done incredible for me. I've had so much growth since I bought it right after the crash in March. Let's see, 43.69 shares. Oh, that is great. And then what else we have? Duke, almost 1,300 with Duke, 12.4 shares. That's even though Duke and Southern are kind of similar, I hold on to Duke because they're in a different market and different area, and they're also a great utility company. So now let's move on to the next one, the 16th, Home Depot, 3.61 shares. And if I go to Home Depot, I have almost 900 bucks and I have 2.18 shares. It's an expensive company. It grew 50% though, and I held it all year, so I got that. Oh, and as of the 16th, I have 125.64 shares. So that is amazing that we're just a little over halfway through the month and already have $125. So now let's look at the 22nd. I got 0.2 and 1.28 from LQD. Surprised they paid me again, but I'll take it. So that puts me at 127.12. Next up, we have Nusi with an amazing $8.36 dividend. That was a huge jump. Let's see right here, Nusi. I own 70 shares. I actually bought a ton of shares recently. So just think that dividend that I just got from Nusi would actually be higher if I would have had this amount of money in there. And I think that's all for that one. Now let's look at the 29th. BNDX paid again 3 times, 7.26, 0.03, and 2.09. So BNDX, I owned them once before during a December, and they always pay out a lot of money during December. It's one of the reasons I bought them. And let's see, the 29th, as of the 29th, I have $144.86 in dividends. And then Devo, I got $4.89. Oh, so this is the 31st. So with Devo, I actually bought them the day before the dividend X date, sold them at right before they paid me, still got the dividend. I just decided that Devo wasn't for me. And moving on to Good, which is one of my favorite stocks, I got $21.73. And then LTC, I got $7.68. So that puts us at the end of December at $179, 179.16. That is a new record for dividends that I've earned. And the previous record was September 2021 with $148.20. And as you know, September is the third month of the quarter. I always do well with dividends on the third month. But let me show you guys good. This is one almost $4,400, 173 shares. If I show you the 1 year, as you can see, the market gain on good is $1,100. I bought this one right after the crash, and it has done incredible, more than I could have imagined. Next up is LTC. Their market gain is negative, but right now, as long as they keep paying the dividends, I'm going to keep holding them because that $7.63 is a pretty good dividend. As you can see, 1,400, and I own 40.4 shares of LTC. So guys, that's the video. That's my dividend income for December. I'm super excited about that. I think when I did the math, it ended up being about 10% of my December expenses, because December I always spend a lot of money because of Christmas. And so thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with how much money you made in dividends in December, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. So see ya.